कोई ब्रीफिंग नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है, ऐसी बात करनी है सिंपल, जैसे अभी कर रहे थे। हाँ, कोई
I
टॉपिक
don't like your face.
ये सब नहीं कर सकते। स्टार्ट करें, बता देना जब स्टार्ट करना है। श्योर, मतलब स्टार्ट करने ये बताओगे?
आप लोग रेडी हो?
मैं रेडी हूँ।
Ready.
Firstly, are you able to give an objective point of view on things?
How can you lie about something that happened so recently and get away with it?
People complain आज के मराठा एम्पायर के बारे में इतना क्यों नहीं पढ़ा है?
हाँ.
Do you agree with that?
And also a general rule, 2000 साल के पहले जो भी हुआ है ना, उसको बहुत be very skeptical about it. Because 2000 साल के पहले जो हमारा information है बहुत कम है. अभी तो जॉब मार्केट ही देख यार.
हाँ.
Okay, a while back you were looking for a job. What was your experience?
So people are, there is scope, but I think there are so many people in the job market right now that it is tough, even if you have a very good profile.
But the country should grow according to how the population is growing and how many people are entering the workforce, right? So
Yeah.
if you are saying that there are too many people and not many jobs, that means there's something wrong.
There is definitely something wrong because I think in general, अब मुझे नहीं पता इकोनॉमी और वो सब क्या है, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कैसे जा रही है, but the number of people who are graduating out of a premier B school is so much every year that वो USP रह नहीं गया of a good profile. Everyone has a good profile. Most people have a good profile. At least people competing for the same job, उसकी proportion बहुत बढ़ गया है पहले से. Because only those people, like it's, let's say I am A से 300 graduates निकल रहे हैं एक साल में, तो वो 300 उसी जॉब के लिए try कर रहे होंगे after quitting their previous job. So हाँ, that's why I think it's tough to get jobs. Job मिल भी जाती है, but then या तो तुम किसी स्टार्टअप में जाओ एज अ चीफ ऑफ स्टाफ, उसके अलग चैलेंजेस हैं. वहां तुम कुछ भी कर रहे हो, जो काम करना है कराएंगे वो. 14, 15, 16 घंटे जितना काम करना है करो. तो देयर इज अ ट्रेड ऑफ. आई फील दैट यूरोप का तुम जितना भी शिट ऑन यूरोप, बट एटलीस्ट द वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. They have a life outside of work after 5
Absolutely. Like the lifestyle there is million times better than India. Okay,
Yeah.
I would still say.
Do you plan to settle down outside India at some point?
I don't know. I mean, the problem is the way I look at it is of course, the lifestyle part is there. That aspect is there. And for that reason alone, I would consider it. But the thing is, वहाँ पे भी जाके, it's not like कि तुम्हारा रोजी लाइफ होगा. तुम बहुत, it's a very hard working environment.
Right? वो तो हर जगह ही है ना.
हाँ, पर यहाँ प्रॉब्लम है कि यहाँ पे यार बंदा 50 साल हार्ड वर्क करता है, उसको कुछ नहीं मिलता. ठीक है, वहाँ पे एटलीस्ट तुम्हें कुछ तो मिलेगा. At least even if you're unemployed after 30 years of working, you will be getting a monthly check from the government for all the money that you have given the system, right? Through your taxes. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ नहीं मिलता. So वो जो safety net है वो बहुत अच्छा है यूरोप या कोई भी वेस्टर्न कंट्री में देख लो. But what would you say about the quality of graduates nowadays? Because you know, like a lot of companies now, not just talking about MBAs. The companies have a training period जहाँ पे train करते हैं उनको. So clearly the colleges are not equipping people with the right knowledge and skills to be at the workforce.
I don't think so. I think
why?
मतलब I think people are getting equipped well enough to do the job that they are in.
Okay.
Especially when मैं अपना बात करता हूँ from ISB, I think the people who are graduating out of ISB, I have heard that in the organization that I work with, they are happier with people from ISB than from other MBA colleges.
You're talking about the top tier MBA colleges?
Top 5 MBA colleges in India.
Okay.
And मतलब, in general, I think it's a signaling effect for any employer who wants to hire from an ISB, IIM, ABC, FMS to top 5 colleges, that this guy is hardworking and he's smart and he'll work on his own. He'll take up something and deliver on time. That's all that they want. Baki, they don't expect you to be a subject matter expert. They want generalists. Most companies want generalists. Even in the industry, like companies like Zomato, Swiggy, etc., they want people who can pick up stuff quite quickly and take ownership of whatever they're doing. They don't want them to be subject matter experts from day one.
Is it?
Yeah. So
I don't think your key advice to people who are just getting into MBA programs now.
My advice to people would just be to finish the course and they'll have a job. I don't think campus placement is tough.
Okay.
Most of these good top 10 MBA colleges have almost 100% campus placement. That will not be an issue for them. Of course ये होगा कि you want a company A but company B आपको offer दे रही होगी, company में नहीं मिल रहा होगा because there are so many people fighting for the same job. Like we spoke, almost everyone is at par with each other. So that's an issue. But ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आप किसी job में जा रहे हो and you feel that you've not learned enough to for the role, to deliver in the role that you are hired for. Having said that, if you ask me, is there value addition from doing an MBA if it's necessary or not? I don't think so.
Really?
I don't think an MBA is necessary for a skill set. A skill set होता है हर किसी के पास. In fact, MBA colleges take people who have that skill set and that affinity to learn. It's necessary only and only because companies will only hire you if you have an MBA. Because that's a signaling effect for them towards their clients and to maintain their reputation in the market.
So let's take this scenario, and you've worked in a lot of big corporates. So let's say person X, let's say Ravi, cannot afford an MBA.
Okay.
Or he doesn't want to do an MBA. But he wants to get into the business world. What could
business world का मतलब क्या है? उसको क्या करना है?
Like, let's say he wants to someday become the VP of some company.
Okay.
All right. So what should he do?
मतलब corporate world में job करनी है उसको.
हाँ. And he wants to reach a senior position by his late 40s.
How good is he in academics?
Let's say slightly above average.
Slightly above average is not great.
Yeah.
Then I think,
what kind of, are you talking about school or what are you talking about?
I mean school का exam
like उसने undergraduate कर लिया है.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
हाँ. Which college? That also depends. That's also criteria. Is that college among the top 5 colleges in commerce, science, arts, etc., or it isn't?
Let's say it is.
So this guy is above average in academics. He's from a good college, so I'm assuming he's good in academics. If not that, then he has some spikes in his career. Is in resume, either arts.
But उसको तो degree मिल गया है.
Or whatever. No, spikes in resume is also important.
Okay.
So this guy has a good profile. He's from a good college. He wants to be the VP of some startup or company. CXO level पे पहुंचना उसे in the next 15 years, 10-15 years. What should he do? Okay. See, an MBA would be the easier way to do it. Go to a top tier MBA college, get a job, go through the grind, and then after 7-8 years, get there. The other way to do it, the longer route to do it would be if he has that affinity to do something of his own. Then start up, fail, start up again, fail again. I mean, first stage में भी वो unicorn बना सकता है. But a lot of people do this also. A lot of people who came to ISB were people who had done something of their own. Maybe they were not able to escalate at that level, and then they joined an MBA and then similar path. So that's another way to do it. And the third way would be to marry rich.
I mean, yeah, that could totally work.
Yeah, I think that will definitely work.
Yeah.
The other two still have there are odds, there are probabilities.
Yeah. But even in the scenario that we are taking, there's so many barriers that, like, so many conditions we have put, which most people in the country don't have.
Criteria है, मतलब बहुत जो अगर मुझे लिस्ट डाउन करने क्राइटेरिया, आपके स्कूल के मार्क्स कितने हैं, कॉलेज में कितने मार्क्स हैं, कौन सा कॉलेज है, कौन सी कॉलेज में जाना है आपको, कौन सी कंपनी में जाना है, कौन सी इंडस्ट्री में जाना है, and if you have spikes in your resume or not. Are you good in sports? If you are okay in academics, then you have to be great in sports. If you are okay in both, then you have to be great in arts, let's say. Music, theatre, कुछ ना कुछ करा हुआ. If you are okay in all these 3 things, then you have to be rich. Donation. You have to have something in your life. Yeah. Which is...
What about a community?
What community?
If you are from a business community.
Management quota ना.
नहीं, वैसे नहीं.
So,
like your community, like your like caste.
उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Reservation?
नहीं, मतलब
MBA colleges में तो नहीं होता.
Like if you're from the business communities in India who are involved mostly in business.
If you're from an influential family.
Yeah.
Management quota ना.
Management quota.
Management quota होता है, undergrad में तो होता ही है. At least India के बाहर तो होता ही है. और अगर वो जनरली बहुत ही अमीर फैमिली से है, I would assume that they would not want to go through that CAT, GMAT, go through the grind. They would go for मतलब बाहर जाके अपना MBA करके आ जाएगा, तो वहां तो दे हैव मैनेजमेंट कोटा. आई डोंट थिंक आकाश अंबानी कैट दिया होगा.
उसको तो बस पापा से रेफरल चाहिए.
हाँ वही, whatever, which is fair also, because those schools also want such alumni on their database so that they can reach out to them when they need. They must be giving grants like anything to them, no?
So let me give you two scenarios. You choose one. Okay. Fancy startup which everybody knows about, everybody talks about, great marketing on social media, fancy office, glass, and TT table and all that stuff, parties every Friday somewhere, okay, and burning 10 crores a month.
Okay.
And the other is a Lalaji business, which nobody knows about. Nobody
What
knows
would I
your
rather
name.
have?
Yeah, nobody knows about, nobody knows your name, nobody will ever know your name. It's very unsexy, but
see, the thing is,
earning 50 crores a year.
ठीक है, my objective matters there. क्या
Okay.
are you asking me at an individual level or at a
Yeah,
universal level?
suppose these two options are presented to you.
At an individual level.
At an individual level.
I would go for the second option. Money is more important.
Why?
Money.
But nobody will know you.
See, मेरा objective business से यही होगा कि मैं पैसे कमाऊं. So that I can use that money for other endeavors which could make me famous. I would not want to I would rather do a boring business than do something which is sexy but is not earning me money.
But
unless I have a vision to really make it big in that particular industry. If I have a vision to disrupt the headphone space in India, the music space in India, the internet space in India, the quick commerce space in India, and my life ka purpose is that, then I will go all in for it, even if it is earning losses. But my objective is to earn money, then that second option is better. No, why do I want to be famous through that?
Okay, interesting. But
what would you rather do?
I would definitely.
You have the second option already.
No, I'm trying to build the second option.
What are you doing right now apart from primary source?
I'm helping my dad's business, which is in the paper industry.
Danda muffin.
Yeah, and I'm helping my friend in our political consultancy business, and I'm doing
Don't you think you have a conflict of interest because you have a history podcast and you're doing political consultancy?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
But
How
then,
are you going to manage
but
that?
then being so conscious about your conflict of interest doesn't earn you money, right?
Okay.
The richest people in the world are the most unethical and uncouth people on the planet. So I guess the world is like that. You should still be a good person, but
no, we have added a disclaimer to the start of the episode, so I don't care about whatever you're saying. I don't agree with most things. I think most people who are rich are through their hard-earned labor.
Oh, really?
And deserve the recognition, respect, and money that comes with it.
For sure, but in a lot of cases, you're earning your money because of other people, and without those other people, you'll be nothing.
क्या मतलब है इसका?
IT CEOs का, you saw that thing, no? IT CEOs का जो past 10-20 years में जो उनका salary hikes हुआ है versus उनके starting employees का salary hikes हुआ है, कितना
percentage तो same ही होगा ना?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
अच्छा,
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, not even close.
How different is it? कितना है?
It's very different. It's radically different. Okay, I don't know the exact numbers, so मैं बोलूँगा नहीं, but it was radically different. Okay.
But don't you think कि that person who stayed in that job for 15-20 years who पहुंचा उस level पे, he deserves a better increment than an entry level person. Because an entry level person will definitely not stay in the company. He knows उसकी वो job है, उसके बाद MBA करके कहीं और ही जाएगा. Nobody joins a TCS to stay there forever, is my assumption.
Yeah, you are right. But shouldn't, in general, if you're talking about the country or an economy, shouldn't wages increase at least more than inflation?
उतना भी नहीं है.
नहीं, बहुत गंदा है. उतना भी नहीं है. That's why, भाई, have you seen like Bangalore में तो गया है ना? कभी गया है?
No, I haven't been to.
और तो Bangalore में जा और you go to some parts of Gurgaon जहाँ पे these back offices are there, and you see these people like Bangalore में it's a popular joke that person is working at a huge investment bank or a huge IT company or a software company, and they are living like absolute shit, right? And this is a fact. It's a joke. The reason being is your office is all fancy and everything, but then you're going back staying at a shithole place, right? Because you're you're not earning that much as the everything the cost around you is.
What do you
And
think of the Blue Smart case that recently
it
happened?
was I don't in India, people say why don't we innovate and all. This is why Indians are scammy by nature. Scam
It was
DNA
a
में
great
है.
product. It was a great
It is a
service.
great product, but
But हुआ क्या है?
भाई,
Like, let's break it down. Exactly क्या हुआ है Blue Smart case में?
Blue Smart, they raised a bunch of money, and the two people who were involved in the founding of the company, they siphoned off the money that they raised for the company.
Has it been
into their-
proved?
Yeah, the SEBI has alleged this.
Oh yeah. That they used it to buy a house in
They
Camellias.
siphoned off money to their own personal expenses and into the accounts of their family members and all. It was like big scam. Like it's just the most scammiest thing ever. Okay, and of course this is very common in India. But ये company बहुत well known था तो highlight हो
People
गया.
loved the product. I think इसलिए
Product
हो
is
रहा है.
great.
अगर आज शायद कोई और कंपनी कोई और नाम नहीं लेते बट कोई और उसी सेक्टर की कंपनी बंद होगी ना, people won't care because they're not happy with it. Like
Yeah.
yesterday I read a post on LinkedIn that people were like कि we are disappointed in you Mr. So and so. Blue Smart का founder का नाम नहीं पता मुझे, कि we are disappointed because we love your product so much and now we'll have to book that other cab which we don't like only because of you.
That's true. Yeah, the product was great. Absolutely.
टाइम पे आता था, सस्ता था, at par with other players.
Really, I thought it was more
good
expensive
service,
than the
almost the
competition.
same price, almost the same. कभी कभी तो सस्ता होता था. तो and for office going people it was a very good service.
Yeah,
Used to always be on
especially for women, because I had heard a lot of women
Safety.
saying safety, quality of the cabs are better, quality of
because
the
they
drivers are
are
better.
Blue Smart की cabs ना, खुद की cabs
Yeah.
होती थी उनकी. Which are some businesses which you feel should be government funded fully?
Airlines, trains.
Trains तो है ही.
Trains नहीं, अभी थोड़ा बहुत प्राइवेटाइज कर रहे हैं ना ट्रेन्स को इंडिया में.
Food and all.
नहीं, आई थिंक ट्रेन्स भी, आई थिंक सो, मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ. सुना था मैंने, पता नहीं वो हुआ कि नहीं.
But why do you think government
Because the
funded होना
essential
चाहिए?
services है. These are the most, transportation is the most essential service that a government
But
can
don't you think
provide.
efficiency आती है privatization से?
आती है, because governments are pathetic.
So why do you want them to be government funded?
I want them to be, because the cheapness, the affordability factor has to be there. Okay. And यूरोप में ये बहुत ही बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि बहुत सारे ट्रेन्स आर प्राइवेटाइज्ड एंड फिर भी इतने प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. So it's about running an effective thing, and the main thing is affordability. A train, like अगर तू
I think that privatization आने से affordability better होती है चीजों की, because they compete with each other, right?
Yeah, but then a private, suppose it's a very difficult business, like a train business, yeah, a plane business is very difficult. Constant failures आ रहे हैं, right? अभी इंडिया में कितने ही एयरलाइन ऑपरेटर्स बाकी है. Okay, it's basically a duopoly, right? And that's a intrinsic problem, na? So I think it should be government funded. जब Air India आया था,
But do you think it's a good service, IRCTC?
It can be so much better.
I personally feel at least the food can be much better.
Yeah, a lot of things. यार अब अगर कुछ लोग
वो privatization से ही आएगा ना.
हाँ, कुछ लोग बोलेंगे वो तुम criticize कर रहे हो. भाई तुम सिर्फ फर्स्ट क्लास मत देखो ना. फर्स्ट क्लास तो अच्छा ही होगा. तुम देखो ना जो मेजॉरिटी लोग कैसे ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. इट्स एब्सोल्यूट नाइटमेयर. तुम लोग खुद ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाओगे वैसे, जो स्लीपर क्लास है या थर्ड क्लास है. ठीक है, that's how the people are traveling, and that's not good at all. मुझे समझ आता है कि पॉपुलेशन है and all that, पर अब क्या करें?
I think privatization could be the answer, no? Why do you think?
Privatization.
Do you think prices बढ़ा देते हैं अगर privatization होता है तो?
I think बढ़ाते हैं.
Okay. Which other industry do you think should be government funded?
Metros तो वैसे भी है government funded, but पता नहीं how
do you think we should reach out to the government to fund this podcast?
Yeah, definitely become a propaganda arm for the government. नहीं पता नहीं. I think नहीं, यही basic चीज है, logistics. What would you say?
I don't think most things should be government funded. I would be rather in favor of privatization to the maximum possible extent. Other than water, food, मतलब वो जो राशन मिलता है लोगों को वो मिलते रहना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू. Healthcare should probably be government funded. Defense should probably be government funded, like it is. But other than that, I don't think anything. मतलब there is definitely more efficiency because profit is the motive, no?
Yeah.
Rather than welfare. So,
yeah.
Yeah.
But I think, like even though profit is not the motive when something is government funded, it should still be run by as a business. It shouldn't be treated as a unlimited money pot. How it is treated right now. And that's where the problem comes, no? Because India में corruption इतना है कि जो budget भी allocate होता है किसी चीज में कितना ही पैसा end user को पहुंचता है. तो जैसे रेलवे बजट है, एंड में तेरे को जो बेनिफिट मिल रहा है कितना मिल रहा है अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट द बजट हैज बीन सेट, करप्शन में कितना पैसा निकल रहा है उसमें, उसका कोई एस्टिमेट नहीं लगा पाता. एंड दैट इज आई थिंक अ बिग प्रॉब्लम इंडिया में. बट डू यू थिंक हाउसिंग शुड बी
गवर्नमेंट?
या
क्या फायदा होगा उससे?
होमलेसनेस,
हाउसिंग फॉर ऑल.
या ठीक है, not for the middle class or the upper class, but for the challenged classes.
I mean, if I'm able to get a house in Camellias through that scheme, then yes.
No, like वो नहीं हो रहा.
Would Camellias exist if housing for all अगर आ जाए तो?
Well, सोवियत जो कम्युनिस्ट मॉडल में तो नहीं होता, but I'm not saying a communist model, but एक जो basic housing तो it should be guaranteed by the government.
I don't think India is at that stage where they can guarantee basic housing for everyone.
Yeah, but should it be?
In an ideal world, yes. In an ideal world, I should not be needed to work. क्यों लगाया है mic camera?
You should be able to smell the flowers.
Yeah, मतलब I get up at whatever time I want. I sleep at whatever time I want. I do whatever I want.
Yeah.
With no objective to earn money, just to have fun in life, feel happy. And just contribute to my own, work on my health, fitness, etc. That's it. I don't need to work to prove to anyone, and I don't need to work for money. That's an ideal life.
Yeah.
I don't think any country has reached that stage.
Yeah, no country. One country did for a while.
Which one?
Let's not talk about that.